Hyeung guys, back for Toi Gye pattern details number 6, I think. I'm squeezing every last drop of pattern out of these for Toi Gye, but it's a long pattern. It's quite a long pattern. It's quite intricate. Okay. This section is a really easy one. It's just like the 3 moves that link those knife block kick spears that we did in the last video in detail session number 5. If you haven't seen them, go look. And into the last combination that has a big section of stance changing. More stance changes. Yeah. Okay. So I just want to cover this little section. Okay. So what you're going to imagine is this. I start over this side. I've done my chariot. Wow, chumbi into my chumbi. I have done pretty much most of the hard bit and the irritating bit in the middle of this pattern. All the throws, the crescent kicks and the big mountain blocks, I'm going to waddle through them, but then I will. Here, I'm here, hit that thing, kick, knife, here, kick, knife. Okay, we're right near the end, we're right there. Okay, so once we're here and we've done those knife block kick knives, the section we're interested in is this. Okay, it goes right foot back, back stance, nose break. Okay, here, off. Also notice my other hand drops, it's not tucked in. Okay, so from that spear we come back, here, okay, one low, one high. I've not got a ton low ceiling, I've not got a ton of space for this, so I'm not going to jump very high. Okay, so we're here, it comes up, down, cross block, cross feet. Okay, now your feet mimic your arms. Okay, so when I'm here, my right foot and my right hand are at the back. I hit the jump, I come down and I turn 180 degrees, right foot, left foot. My right foot is in front of me. Cross block. My right arm is in front of me. Feet or legs mimic arms. Okay, they are not the other way round. I am right foot and right hand dominant. They are both in front of me. Okay. Once I'm there, bam, I then step out with my right into a standard support middle block. Okay, it's not one of them low ones. It does not mimic the one that was in the middle. It's a standard. Okay. Now, it's only 3 moves. Okay. Once you've done it a couple of times, most people get this quite easily. Okay. It's an interesting. It's quite a nice little combination. The details that I want to go over to make sure it's as neat as possible is all to do with that move in the middle, because the other 2 are easy peasy. Okay. And guess what? It's all footwork. So, 1. From here, same as when we talk about jumping kicks, that you need to think about without banging my head on the ceiling, going up. Okay, you're not that interested in trying to cover as much distance as possible. It doesn't serve any purpose for the pattern. Okay, you've got to imagine if I were to go from here and step into another move, doesn't matter what it would be. Okay, hiya! It doesn't matter. But if you imagine that I would take a normal pattern step into either a front stance or a back stance, that front foot is as far forward as I want to go. Okay? I know I'm jumping, but I'm also landing my feet together. Okay, so I'm here. The furthest I would even think about going is as far as I would normally step. Okay? Just because I'm doing that little sort of jump in the middle, I do not want to consider trying to go yeah, and covering distance. It doesn't serve any purpose for what we need. Okay, that is point 1. Okay, if I'm on, like for us, we have red and black squares in our classes. So if I'm on red square and I normally land on black, then from this I go from red square onto black. Okay, and I want to go up to come down, so everything is here. I want to land here. I want to try and keep my back straight as I can. I want my block forward. I'm not tipping over like a teapot. I'm not doing this. Okay, I want to go here. As much as I can, I want to keep my shoulders and my head up so I can see what I'm doing. Okay? Last point, and it kind of links to the idea of trying to jump too far forwards, is its balance. Okay, when I come forwards, I don't want to fall into the support block. Okay, I want to up, down, land, bam, hold, and then fold, get into support. Okay, I don't want to be going whoop, yeah, and falling out of that cross block. Okay, it's 3 moves, and each one needs its own bit of time. Okay, it needs to have all 3 sections. It needs to be we as instructors, or if people are going to grade you if you go to that external grades or whatever, they need to be able to see each move is correct and is stable. Okay, you're not rushing it. Your footwork is not poor, and we're here. People do this and then whoop, trip out. Okay, it's got to be clean. It's got to be stable. It's got to be neat. Okay, most part, all 3 moves as well. Head up. Oh yeah, look at this nose break here, and I'm going to go that way next, but you look at your nose break, you look the way you're striking, and you look that way for here, and then I'm going to go forwards, bam, to support. Okay? Look where you're going. Look what you're doing. Concentrate on what you're doing. You'll be strong and very stable in all 3 techniques. Okay? Do not fall out of that cross block. It looks rubbish. Let's Toi Gye Detail 6 for our guys. Enjoy, keep practicing. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Have fun.